welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make smoked bacon wrapped jalapeños. Oh yeah, it's getting hot in here. Alright, first step is to slice each jalapeno in half, just like this. Make sure you slice the stems in half too. That leaves behind a nice little handle, and everyone loves food with handles, especially at a party. After you remove all the seeds, it's time to fill these jalapenos with some cheese. Now we're going to use two different cheeses today. We've got a thicker grated cheese and then a thinner grated cheese. That's up to you, whatever cheese you like best, go ahead and use it. Next step, after you get all your jalapenos cheesed up, is to lock in that cheese with a layer of cream cheese. So we got ourselves a tub of regular cream cheese. This is not fat-free, by the way. This is full-on fat, and we're just laying it on like spackle. So most people wrap their jalapenos in bacon and then put them on the smoker or the grill or the oven. We don't do that. No, not here. That's right, Man That's Cooking pre-cooks our bacon. It's a partial cook. It's not a full cook. And what that does is that makes sure that the bacon's actually fully cooked, and it means that you don't overcook your jalapenos and overcook the cheese inside of the jalapeno. Ah, genius, you say? Yes, we do agree. So we're going to smoke this bacon at 250 for an hour, and you can use hickory or applewood pellets. And when the bacon's done, you want to bring it inside and let it rest for at least 10 minutes before you start handling it. And the next step is to wrap your jalapenos. Now look at Man's technique here. He's just grabbing a piece of bacon, wrapping it up, and hey, no toothpicks. Yeah, that'll make Grandma happy.
Where's the toothpicks? I always swallow them by mistake.
Not today, Grandma. So you can see here, Man's just going to wrap all these jalapenos and move them onto a cooling rack. And if you don't have one of those, you need to check out the Amazons or Wally Worlds and pick yourself up some. Makes your smoking barbecue life a lot easier. And once you get all your jalapenos wrapped, put them back on the smoker at 250. And you want to let these cook for at least 1 hour, but you may want to go an hour and a half or 2 hours, depending on what you like. Food porn flyover. Man, those look good. And because we pre-cooked the bacon, these jalapenos have got a little bit of snap left to them. They're not all wilted away. And when they're done, pull them off the smoker and put them in a container and let them rest for a few minutes because that cheese is going to be hot. So if you make these and bring them to a party, you're going to be awesome. There's nothing like that smoky flavor. And hey, check this out. Oh yeah. Does that look good? Oh yeah, you know it does. So why don't you come on by to manthat'scooking.com, check out our recipes, look us up on Facebook, check us out on Instagram and on Twitter. Like, subscribe, leave us some comments. Let us know if you make this recipe. Thanks for watching.